Go home happy with the 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Tahoe delivers the power and capability of a full-size SUV, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe and connected, a serene cabin loaded with amenities, and impressive fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Escape to the calm, capable oasis of the Tahoe. Take it for a test drive.